Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk, and today we are going to do the unboxing of Fujifilm instax Square SQ6. So definitely we have done the unboxing of the camera of the series of instax earlier also. Now this is the latest model what Fujifilm has launched in India, and we will see what is inside the box and how it looks and what are the features it is giving. So here you can see it is written as usual the name. There are three filters which would be red, purple and green color. Now talking about the price, the box price written is 9,999. I still don't know that this is the final price or not. And the device is in the graphite grey color, so the camera will be graphite grey. And as far as we see, it has a square instax filter, which I will tell you later. And the mode, there is automatic mode, there is selfie mode, macro landscape mode, double exposure mode, and lighten and darken mode. And this is from Fujifilm. The Fujifilm is from Japan. If you don't know, it is a Japanese brand for camera and a very old and renowned brand. Now talking about inside the box, we are very excited to check it out as the boxing is very much different. It is not similar to the smartphone boxing. Here you can see the user guide manual is there and the warranty card. These are the some of the paperwork which usually we don't read, and it will be useful to know your product very well. So I will definitely recommend you, if you want to check out and get the full uses of the product, you have to check it out. And this is the strap. It is kind of a leather strap which will be around your neck to carry around. And here are two batteries. These are the CR2 batteries by Panasonic, each costing of 400 bucks, and it can take up to 30 shots. So with 800 bucks of battery, you can take only 30 shots. And these are the three filters what I was talking: red, green and purple. You just have to fit it on the LED flashlight. Now talking about the camera is totally square in shape. It looks pretty much premier and different from the other what we have seen of the Fujifilm Instax group. So here you can see the shutter is in the front. There are the modes. This is the self timer, you can switch it. There is also a flash which you can pull it out. On the top there are modes which will blink while taking a picture. Now also on the sides it has a strap hook where you will hook the leather strap. I will show you. Here you can see that there is a small reflective mirror kind of thing to take the selfie. There is also LED flash for the temperature while taking the picture. This is the place where you will put the cartridge. But the cartridge we are having with now is with the 10 sheets, and it is costing around 699. So it is 700 bucks. You will get 10 costing, and there will be also in the top you can see a dot is there. It will tell you that the cartridge is there or not, and the number of sheets left is also shown here. Talking about the modes, there is automatic mode, selfie mode, there is landscape, macro, double exposure, lighten and the darken mode. So these are the modes are there. The lighten and the darken will be up to the light sensitivity in the conditions what you are having. It also have a viewfinder. Here you have the batteries, CR2 batteries, two batteries to be put, what I have already told you, and it can take 30 shots. So this is a non-rechargeable battery. Once you put it, you take 30 shots, and then you have to purchase. Each battery cost for 400 bucks. Now talking in the front, the viewfinder, in the right side of the viewfinder there is a selfie timer light. The LED flash what I was talking is the filter. Here you can see you can change the color filters. There are 3 color filters already given in the box, and you can change around it due to the lighting condition. So that is one more good thing. Now talking about the front, here you can see there is a selfie camera. This is how the selfie reflection you will get it and take the picture. On the side there is a light sensor. On the top there is on and off button. Now talking about the whole product, why you have to buy this, what is different from the other instax camera what Fujifilm has launched. So this one comes with the more modes. It have a good sensor. There is the filters what you can play it around, and therefore the Fujifilm instax is Square SQ6 is pretty much different what we have seen earlier. And from the top the sheets what you have taken, the printed image will be coming out. So this is a good thing. There is a threaded bottom where you can put a selfie pod or a monopod, you can mount it that. And this is all about the Fujifilm instax Square SQ6. This is an instant camera. Here are some samples which you can check it out. This is all about the product. This @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.